Hello, I'm Brian Tracy, and welcome to the Brian Tracy Show. Today we have a wonderful guest, Brenda M., who's going to share some ideas with you about how you can live a better life in every single area. Welcome, Brenda. Thank you for being here.
Thank you, Brian. Glad to be here.
Wonderful. Now, what advice would you give people who are interested in changing their lives and interested in getting better in every area?
I would really say that think about these areas of your life and and balance them. You know, I think that the days of spending all our health to get wealth and then using our wealth to get our health back are over. We have to concentrate on taking responsibility, not waiting until after the fact. So health is everything. You have to create a stream of income to live your dreams.
Yes.
And you need amazing coaching and mentoring, a system and a team that will help you get there. And what is that all about? Ultimately, to make a difference in the lives of your family and the people around you. So I would say, take all the resources that God has given you, health, finances, relationships, use it to make a difference.
Be proactive. Go for it. Take charge of your life. Don't wait for things to change. If you want things to change, you've got to change them yourself.
Brian, it was a great message you gave me 25 years ago, and you're still the master in personal development. I'm with you on that. Thank you for everything you do. And yes, that is our passion, helping people to be absolutely proactive in their health and their relationships and their spiritual life. That's our heart.